So I started Creative Nature because I suffer from anaphylaxis. And that means basically my windpipe closes when I come in contact with anything like nuts, chocolate, lentils, you name it, with seeds and things like that. It's just a nightmare. So what I did was I found there was no healthy products out there that didn't contain some sort of almond butter or cashew butter. So I wanted to create something healthy on the go that people could pick up on their way to work. When we first started Creative Nature, making the product was probably the hardest part, getting the recipes right, because it was really important to get the taste right for the consumer. So what we did was we got all the oats, the goji berries, all the high nutritious products in our kitchen ourselves, me and my colleague Matt, and we literally mashed them all up together and made a bar. We then went out there to consumers and said, oh, try this, what do you think, to get the market research done. And at the beginning it was a nightmare. They said it tasted bad, they wouldn't buy it, so it was back to the drawing board, and it happened like that for about 12 months, getting something completely right. Once we had the taste right, and we worked with nutritionists such as Rhiannon and Lambert to help us endorse our products for being healthy, it was great to bring something that was not only tasty but healthy to the market. At the moment, Creative Nature has been a success, and it depends how you measure success, I think, in a way. We have made a product that's incredible. It's got a good price point, which is very important for the consumer, and people in this industry need to make sure that their products are affordable for the consumer, as well as ticking all the right boxes. So in terms of where we are now, we're listed in places like Ocado, also in Vital stores, independent health stores, and by having these listings and growing at such a huge rate from a tiny little shop making in our kitchen, it's phenomenal to see how many people have picked up on this and how many people actually want to buy our products, and we find in the market, and that we need to cater for these people who suffer from allergies. The next steps for us have actually been making new products, bringing more things into the range. So for example, we've got our new baking mixes, and we started off with superfoods and bars, which is great for on-the-go snacks, but I found that a lot of people want to cook now at home, especially with the whole eating healthy and solving the obesity crisis in particular. So we decided to come up with allergen-free baking mixes, which I couldn't find literally anywhere on the market. I couldn't make my own cake at home in 30 minutes, and that's what I wanted to do. So going forward, these have now launched in April, and we're also going into 1,200 Lloyd's pharmacies, launching the 22nd of June, which is what I'm trying to do there, is get out to the market of people that are suffering from health problems at the moment, but they need to. Nutrition is at the heart, so they need to get their nutrition right to be healthier, which will then in turn give them a better lifestyle. So that's why I've picked Lloyd's Pharmacy as a great route to go through. I think other businesses need to, first of all, when they're in this space, pick the market that they want to go into, make sure their product has a purpose. Like, so many people are jumping on the fad of gluten-free, but gluten-free doesn't always mean healthy. You need to actually have a product that is nutritious and not just said to be nutritious.
So it's extremely important when I work with Creative Nature that we get the nutritional claims correct. So there are lots of products out there on the market that may claim that they are good for you when actually, as a matter of fact, they're not. So my job is to check the science, check the product, we get it tested, and for instance, on the baking mixes, we'd look at an alternative that's not full of refined sugar, that's not really unhealthy. And of course, they're chia seeds and they're superfoods. We wanted to check that we had the correct claims of micronutrients, that's your vitamins and minerals, so zinc, phosphorus, magnesium. Just tell the consumer, this is what you will be getting if you eat this product.